My name's David Gonzalez. I am an orthopedic surgeon with a specialty in sports medicine. I'm the chief of sports medicine for Montefiore. I've been at Montefiore for approximately 23 years now. I'm from the Bronx. This is my community. There's a familiarity there. It's like treating my family. Well, I've always loved sports. I've played sports all my life. We are the team physicians for NYCFC. It's an amazing experience, and I'm loving being at the games and taking care of those elite athletes. I try to tell younger people that there's nothing better than helping another person. Getting a patient from a period in their life where they have so much pain and need help, reassuring them, treating them, and getting them to that point where they are better. And they're so thankful, and that thankfulness is very satisfying as a physician. There's nothing better. So I love doing that every day.